These took entirely too long to do, but you know, mom life. Hi, and welcome back to Naturally Breezy. Bree here. So as you can see, I got a new style in my hair. Yes, it's my yarn braids. I'm going to show you all how I install my braids, so what I use, and also some tricks I learned as well. So if you want to see how I did my hair and any of my tricks, then just keep watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Oh, and hit that notification bell as well. Alright, stay tuned. If you see my video, my previous video, how I prepped, that's where these mini twists came from. Now we're going to get into the yarn braids. As you can see, I got my yarn behind me. You can see the purple. So yeah, we're doing these 4 colors. Alright, so the products I'm using, 2 products, maybe 3. The 3 products that I use in my prep, the same ones. The argan. It's argan oil anyway, it's Cream of Nature. Mimosa Hair Honey by Carol's Daughter. And the Shine Gem. These 3. Mainly these 2. Got my comb. I'm gonna show y'all a trick I learned too. Got my clips. You're gonna need 1 clip because your hair's already, technically your hair's already sectioned off. So I got my rubber band. I'm just gonna put this up out of the way. I have a mirror behind here too, so if I'm not looking in the camera, I'm looking at the mirror. So I got my yarn set up down here. You can't see it, but it's all set up. There's the black, and we pre-cut. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take 1 of the pre-cut pieces. Just take 1. I'm gonna create, I'm gonna get 8 pieces out of this. Alright, so I'm going to show y'all how I put my yarn braids in. I ran out of black yarn, so I had to go to the store and get more. Boo. Let me get my clip and clip these out the way. Let's do this one. And I'm going to show y'all the trick I learned about the ends of the braids. So, the yarn here. Take it and make sure it's all even. Down. Not too much. Bring it down. So it's just even enough. And I'll show you guys what I do. So you take the yarn here and you wrap it around your fingers, just a little bit out. And you take your comb and you just comb it out, comb the ends out. Comb it out. It's kind of like you're fraying the ends of the yarn, like how you would do it braiding hair, but it's with the yarn. I'm gonna link the video in my description where I got this idea from. I would have never guessed to do this, but it makes it look like a real braid almost. Just take your hair and you put it in your bag, your trash bag. That's 1 end done. You can see that. And then you're gonna take the other end. And you should do this with every braid. This is the part that might take the longest, but trust me, it looks good in the end. So you're gonna make it even. Just all even there. I'm gonna take it and wrap it. Super simple, very easy. Doesn't have to be perfect. Just combing it out, and some it will get kind of knotted, or just go back to the end and make sure it's all combed out. And if you want more, you can just unravel it and move your hand down a little bit. See that? And just comb that out. It's easier to do it on my legs, so that way I have some kind of base to comb it out on. And then we're gonna take the hair, put it in your trash bag, and there you have it. Your frayed ends on the yarn. Now that we frayed our ends, we're gonna separate it. Again, I'm using 8 pieces, so we're gonna do 4 and 4. Cross them, make sure they're even on each side. We're gonna take our Mimosa here, honey. We're gonna coat each side of the yarn. That sounded weird, how I just said that. We're gonna coat each side of the yarn. Cause you don't want dry yarn going in your hair. It's gonna dry your hair out. Moisture in it. Cause yarn is, again, naturally dry. We're gonna take it, where's my braid? Again, I got my mirror behind y'all. So I'm gonna take it here, grab my piece, attach it, give it a nice little tug, make sure it's secure, and begin to braid. I'm gonna get about halfway down. I like to separate these, my 2 ends, so I put at least 2 strands from each side. I add it to my hair, which just makes the 3rd piece, so that way when I get where my hair ends, I don't have the problem of separating them. And braid, braid, braid. And once you get on the end, closer to the end, you're gonna take your shine gel or gel, whatever you're using, and you're gonna gel that down a little bit, so that way they're not sticking out with the braids. And you might get some frayed ends, but it's just okay. You're gonna keep braiding. Okay, there you go. Do one more for y'all so you can see exactly. It's still on the front here. It's the final results. I added some little jewels. I might have went overboard with the decoration, jewelry stringy thingies, but I was having fun doing it. So yeah, it's not nothing too, I guess, I don't know. To me, I used the whole roll that was on it. So yeah, this is the final look. I love them. These are probably the best yarn braids that I've done in a while. Now these took entirely too long to do, but you know, mom life. I know in my last video I said I wanted them at bra strap length, but these are really long. They're like all the way down, like maybe to my foot. Can y'all see that? Yeah, like almost like waist length / tailbone length. Love them. I love the colors. The teal grew on me because it looked weird at first to me. Maybe because it was so bright compared to the purple and the blue, but it did grow on me, and I am loving it. I can't wait to style these. And that is all for this video. If you like this video, don't forget to like the video, thumbs it up, comment comment, of course. Let me know what you think about these. If you've tried them before, if you want to try them, let me know. I would love to hear from you guys. And also share this with your friends, your family, sisters, aunts, cousins, significant others. Share these fun summer, a fun summer style, you know. And hit that notification bell so you won't miss out on any of my videos. Alright, yeah. I'm putting myself down. And as always, be breezy.